Today we're going to use angle pair relationships to write proofs. These four angle pair relationships should be written in your plan, in your journal, in your notes. All right angles are congruent. That should make sense. They all equal 90 degrees. They're all congruent. Supplements of congruent angles or the same angle are congruent. So if we have three angles, 1, 2, and 3, we can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. We can say that angle 3 and angle 2 are supplementary. Therefore, if these are supplementary and these are supplementary, angle 1 must equal angle 2. Angle 1 must equal be congruent to angle 3. Complements work the same way. Complements of congruent angles of the same angle are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent, which we already know. Let's look at a proof. Our example 1, we're going to write a proof. This is as if it was given in the book. We've got a drawing. We have the given that line L is perpendicular to line M. Line L is perpendicular to line N. We need to prove that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We should begin to know how to set up a proof. We write the given and we write the proof. The given is line L is perpendicular to M. Line L is perpendicular to N. We're going to prove that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We have our drawing, and we need to label our drawing just as if it's given. The next thing that you do is you mark the drawing of anything else you know. If you know something is perpendicular, you mark it. We're going to continue with the proof. We draw our t-table, we do our statements, and we do our reasons. The first reason is our given. And line L is perpendicular to M. Line L is perpendicular to N. What else do we know in our chain of reasonings? Well, we know that these are right angles from the drawing. And that's the definition of perpendicular lines. So if we know that all right angles, all perpendicular lines are congruent, we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Right angles theorem. I've started to put the proof in its given place. I have not written the given and the proof, so we're going to write the given and the proof. So the given is angle 1 and angle 3 are complements. Angle 3 and angle 5 are complements. We're going to prove that angle 1 is congruent to angle 5. Now what you want to do is think this through and say, okay, I'm going to mark the drawing. I know that angle 1 and angle 3 are complements. So I'm going to kind of write angle 1 and angle 3 are complements, just so that I can see. That means that angle 1 and angle 3 add up to 90 degrees. Angle 3 and angle 5 are also complements, so we know that angle 3 and 5 add up to 90 degrees. You can see that the red and the green markings have this same angle